In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Synchrony Bank customer support using three different methods: phone, chat, and email. Whether you're trying to resolve a billing query, inquire about account details, or need assistance regarding their services, getting in touch with customer support can help you resolve your issues efficiently. Today, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you know exactly what to do every step of the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Synchrony Bank and hit enter. This step will bring up several results related to Synchrony Bank. Make sure you click on the link that says Synchrony, credit cards, financing, marketplace, banking, and more. This link will direct you to their official website where you have access to their various services and resources. Once you're on the Synchrony Bank homepage, you may notice a prompt asking you to accept cookies. It's important to click on Accept All Cookies. Accepting cookies aids in improving website functionality and provides a better user experience by remembering your preferences and visits. It's a standard practice on most websites, so no need to worry about security concerns. Now that you're on the website and cookies are accepted, look out for a highlighted section that brings your attention to different services. Here, importantly, you want to search for the Help section. Clicking on this will lead you to more specific support options provided by Synchrony Bank. In the Help section, you should see a direct link saying Contact Us. Clicking on Contact Us will take you to a dedicated support page where various contact methods are listed. This is where you can truly begin your journey to get in touch with Synchrony or fetch answers to general queries you might have. If you're looking for immediate assistance, calling their customer support number is likely your best bet. This option connects you with a representative who can help resolve your issues in real time. Remember to have your account information ready, as they'll need to verify your identity. Alternatively, for less urgent matters, you might opt to use the online chat feature available on the website. Chatting online can be a convenient way to communicate and can be less time-consuming than a phone call, especially during peak hours. Finally, if you prefer a more formal approach or need a record of your discussion, you can send them an email. This method is useful for complex issues that may require detailed explanations or documentation. Remember, having your account details at hand, such as your account number, will expedite the verification process and make the interaction smoother. By following these steps, you should have no trouble reaching out to Synchrony Bank and resolving your concerns. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.